Hello, this is Shahbaz Siddeeq, and today we will learn how to set the classic editor in the WordPress. Before you start, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe by clicking on the red button below, and also be sure to hit the bell icon for the notifications of the latest videos. So let's start. First of all, we will go to the post page and let's edit on any one of them. Let's click. Now you can see this is the latest one editor, and this is not the classic editor actually, because now by default editor is this one, but I want to back this one. I want to back the classic editor. So what we should do for that plugin, for that editor, let's go to the first of all plugins tab, and click on the add new button. And we will find a plugin for classic edition. And let me find their classic editor. Editor. Oh, oops. It's not classic. It's classic. No, it's right. Classic editor, and you will get a list of plugins. Now you can see the classic editor, the first one by WordPress contributors. So you have to just install and then activate. I already installed the plugin, and so I just need to activate the plugin. So let's activate. You can this one editor. Okay, the plugin is activated, and now let's see what happened after the activation of this plugin. Let's go to the again post page, and after loading the page, I will edit one of them. Let me edit one of them, the post. Click on the edit button, and now you can see the classic editor is back. Now the default editor is classic editor. Actually this one is old editor of the WordPress. So now in this way you can edit with the classic editor, and you can you have to just install the plugin and then activate, and then okay. So that's all for now in this video. Please do like and share, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe by clicking on the red button below. Also be sure to hit the bell icon for the notifications of the latest videos. And thanks for watching this video. Please keep support, and see you in the next video.